At Remke, we work every day to bring industrial-strength electrical connectors with the personalized service, order flexibility, and custom solutions to businesses that compete in today's competitive landscape.
My name is Mark Sweeney, and I'm President and Chief Operating Officer of Remke Industries, Incorporated. The core values that we want to display to our customers are really integrity, quality, and a passion to be that partner supplier, to work with you on a continued basis and enjoy the growth together of the business. At Remke, we're very proud that we've had a number of customers for almost 50 years, and obviously we're doing something right. We've met and exceeded that customer's expectation.
The culture that we've built at Remke is dedicated to customer service from inside out.
Remke has made significant investments in equipment and facilities, and in particular to business processes to really improve our customer service and our customer response.
Because we partner so closely with our customers, Remke is able to understand their needs and provide custom solutions to fit their needs.
Here at Remke, we're allowing ourselves to reap the real benefit of an American-made product. In turn, this is allowing us to maximize quality control to meet our customers' needs.
At Remke, we call this the power of connecting possibilities. The combination of Remke's focus on connectors with depth of line, flexibility, and service. A crucial aspect of truly connecting possibilities is the unique set of benefits that manufacturing in the U.S. provides Remke customers.
Every day our customers rely on us for quick turnaround and good service, so we continue to make that our top priority to meet or exceed their expectations.
For more than 50 years and into the future, we look forward to continuing to strengthen our commitment to providing the market with the most flexible, most complete line of products and custom solutions. Join us and experience a level of service that transcends the connectivity solutions industry. That truly is the power of connecting possibilities.